gains control of the puck. From center, they get into the attacking area. And that one's stopped. Taken along the wall by Callahan. Here he is in front. Scores! Listen to this place.
What a start for them. Get the game's first goal. Now they have to keep the pressure on. A quick flick of the wrist, and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.
The Steelheads seem to be taking advantage of some home cooking tonight.
What a great start for them. They come out, the puck hits the ice, and they're by far the most aggressive team.